Good morning. May I have your passport and appointment letter, please?
Good morning. Here they are.
You're applying for a K-1 fiancé visa, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
How did you and your fiancé meet?
We met 3 years ago through a mutual friend. We've been in a relationship since then,
When did you last meet in person?
about 5 months ago. My fiancé visited me and we spent 2 weeks together.
How often do you communicate?
We talk almost every day through video calls and messages.
What does your fiancé do for a living?
She's a software engineer in California.
Have you made wedding plans?
Yes, we plan to get married within 90 days of my arrival.
Do you have any supporting documents?
Yes, I have photos, chat records, and travel receipts.
Everything seems fine. Does your fiancé have any criminal or immigration issues?
No, she doesn't.
Great. Are you aware you must marry within 90 days of entering the U.S.?
Yes, I understand.
Excellent. Your visa should be issued in a few days.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Best wishes for your wedding and new life.
Thank you. Have a great day.